Welcome to our video on creating a minimalist home. In this video, we will share some valuable tips to help you create a clutter-free space that is both functional and aesthetically pleasing. Let's get started. The first step in creating a minimalist home is to declutter your space. Begin by going through each room and getting rid of items that you no longer need or use. Simplify your surroundings by keeping only the essentials that bring you joy and serve a practical purpose. Once you have decluttered, it's time to organize your belongings in a way that maximizes efficiency and minimizes visual noise. Utilize storage solutions such as bins, baskets, and shelves to keep everything in its designated place. Create designated zones for different purposes to maintain order and ensure everything has a specific spot. When it comes to furniture and decor, less is more in a minimalist home. Opt for clean lines, neutral colors, and functional pieces that serve multiple purposes. Avoid cluttering your space with unnecessary furniture or decorative items. Embrace simplicity and let each item in your home have a purpose and a place. Maximize natural light and maintain an open and airy feel in your minimalist home. Use sheer curtains or blinds that allow sunlight to filter through. Choose light-colored paint or wallpaper to brighten up the space. Keep furniture arrangements minimal to promote a sense of openness and ensure the flow of energy throughout your home. Creating a minimalist home is not just about the physical space. It's also about adopting a minimalist lifestyle. Avoid cluttering your schedule and learn to prioritize what truly matters to you. Practice mindful consumption and be conscious of the items you bring into your home. By living with intention and simplicity, you can maintain a clutter-free space in the long run. Congratulations! You now have the knowledge and tips to start creating your own minimalist home. Remember, it's a journey, so take it one step at a time. Embrace the beauty of simplicity and enjoy the benefits of a clutter-free space. Thank you for watching.